Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to use Wave Account, an amazing free accounting tool that is perfect for freelancers, solopreneurs and small business owners. Whether you are just starting or want to simplify your bookkeeping steps, Wave offers a complete suite of tools like invoicing, payments, accounting, receipts, banking, and even PayPal. So before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So first of all, you have to go to wave.com. This is tp/www.waveapps.com. Search for it on your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you wish to continue with. Now let's start with their pricing. Okay, first of all, go to their pricing site. Wait until the page is loaded. Wait. So here you go. So as you can see, Wave offers two main plans. A starter plan, which is basically free forever. On the starter plan, you will get unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and bookkeeping records. And option to accept online payments is 2.9% plus 0.60 per credit transaction and 3.4% plus $0.60 per MX transaction. I mean, they will cut this amount. Invoice on the go with the mobile app, manage cash flow and customers in one dashboard. Okay, and their pro plan includes these offers, which is $170 USD per year, which is billed annually. So let's see what their pro plan offers. It offers 2.9% plus $0 cut per credit and transaction, 3.4% plus $0 per MX transaction. It auto import bank transactions, auto merge and categorize bank transactions, digitally capture unlimited receipts and track expenses, automate late payment reminders, and more. And tap on to accept all cookies before doing all the works. Now this was basically the annual plan. Let's check out their monthly plan. Okay, so as you can see, their monthly plan is around $16 per month, which is billed monthly, and the annual one is billed annually. Okay, the starter plan is the same as before, but the pro plan just changed it little differently. It auto import bank transaction, auto merge and categorize bank transaction. It can digitally capture unlimited receipts and etc. This is same as the pro plan, but the fact is this is the monthly plan and this is the annual plan. Okay, you have to pay the monthly plan per month and the annual one per year. Okay, so we will be using free plan in this tutorial, which is already super helpful. So get started now. Now you will have to enter your email and password to get started. You can also log in using your Google account, I mean Gmail account. So for the video I will go with the Google, like I'll sign up with Google, then tap onto this one and then tap continue. So now it will redirect you to the Wave Apps dashboard. You have to agree to the policies and you will land on the main dashboard. Now you have to set up your business, like your business name, and your name. Let's add your business name INN, and you have to select your industry, like on what industry you are on. So now tap next. You can also use this Zoho, tap on to get started with Zoho Books if you wish to, and tap on to access Zoho Books. You have to tap onto your organization name, your organization location, then you have to tap on let's get started. Now you have to fulfill all of these informations like your industry, your organization location, state, province, your currency, language. You can choose your currency from here. For me, I'm going to choose USD like this, and then that's it. Now tap on to get started. So that's it. Now let's go back to it, our home page. Let's go back again. What is happening? Tap continue. Let's search for web apps again. So now let's tap onto your account. Okay, you have to go with the Zoho Books. You can get Zoho Books for free for 30 days, and then you have to pay for it. Okay, so let's tap on to get access to Zoho Books. As I just did before, you have to enter your organization name, location, etc. Then tap let's get started. Now tap on history. I'm just randomly using this to show you early. Now tap on to get started. So wait until the page loads completely. And there you go, you are on the home dashboard of your books. Here you can see your banking transaction. From there you can connect your bank or credit card. You can also add manually if you wish to. You can enter account name, code, currency, etc. For me, I will tap on to connect bank account, and from there you can connect your PayPal, Bank of America, Commonwealth Bank, etc. All of these you can connect to it. Okay, now tap on to sales or purchases. From there you can see customers. You can create new customers from here, like primary contacts, etc. You can just check them out if you are on the business mode, and you can also check it out individually. There are plenty of invoices here, and from there you can create new invoices by clicking on new invoices, scroll down and tap on to save and continue. And from there you can create invoices easily. You can tap on the sales receipts, and you can just check them, all of them out. You just have to log into web.com, and then you can check them out. From here you can check your items if you have any items, and if you don't have any items you can tap onto this plus new at the top right corner, and then from there you can add your name, items name, your unit, your address, and that's all. And then you have to tap on to save. So that was it. This is how you can use web with Zoho Books. That was pretty much it. This is how you can use web accounting for a small business owner. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you in the next video.